First Stunt Jumper 15 in Singapore. Hey! Purple color!
Bike check. Oh. May Thomas yan, oh. Bike check.
Magkasama naman tayo sa IT eh.
I love purple. I want to change to purple.
You what?
What is this?
Say what? Mike.
Yeah, this Stunt Jumper 15 is one of the best bike I had.
Come here, go. What's your bike again?
Stunt Jumper 15 S-Works.
The first in Singapore.
First Stunt Jumper 15 in Singapore. Hey! Purple color.
Is it purple color?
Yeah, I changed the theme to purple because I like purple.
Okay, purple. Stem.
Brake.
Oh.
Brake.
Then.
What is this called? I don't know. Kick clamp. Pedal.
One up.
Yeah, one pedal. And that's all. The brake
How
also.
about this one?
This is my stock assets.
You Mike.
Stock assets.
Next.
Yeah.
How heavy?
I9 purple.
Less than 14.
Less than 14.
By
I don't know if
level.
it's 14. If I can shoulder press, it's 14. Ooh! baka. Ooh!
Nothing to him. His arm is my two thumbs.
Okay, bro.
Alright. Thank you.
Kahit masemplang ka. Video yan, oh. May wide na tayong lens, oh.
Na kayo. Pwede ba natin pag-chismisan si Tata? Aba ka ba nag-aray? Ano bang maganda yung topic natin kay Tata?
Si Tata, pre, kumuha ng
Pumunta yan, looking. Wild Burat!
Tayo na. Wild Burats! Tama na ulit, mainit! Okay nang ina, mainit! Ayoko na, mainit! Wild Burats! Silipin ko kung ano yun. Nice!